You think football is about skills? No. All of that collapses under pressure if your mind isn't prepared to enter peak state. And that's where 99% of the people fail. Not physically, neurologically. If you want to know the truth, then stay till the end. Peak performance is a neurochemical event. It is when your brain releases dopamine, endorphins. These chemicals sharpen focus, increase reaction speed, boost confidence, and reduce pain. That's why elite players look untouchable under pressure. It's not hype, it's neuroscience. You have to understand that you are made to do, but why you cannot do. But here's the trick. You can't hope to get there. You have to engineer it manually, like most of the players do it. And most players, they've never heard it. Step 1. Bodily activation. When you activate your facial system, the connective web that links muscle, joint and nerves, you literally increase coordination speed. You begin to feel your glutes. You begin to feel more comfortable and more effortless. This is what science calls myofascial readiness. It's why top athletes warm up with dynamic drills, skips and resistance. Not slow stretches like you are doing, because they are not warming up muscles. They are waking up their movement intelligence. They are warming up their facial system. Mental priming. Step 2. Research from Harvard and Stanford shows that visualization activates the same neurons as real action, but only when it's deep and stressful. You must imagine mistakes, pressure, chaos. Then imagine overcoming it. This doesn't motivate your brain, it trains it. Because your brain does not know what is fake and what is real. Your subconscious mind tries to make anything you visualized real. So when the real storm comes, your system says, I've already survived this. It's easy for me. Step 3. Emotional coding. The biggest myth in football is stay calm. Wrong. Science shows that elite performance happens at a high arousal, but with low noise. You have to understand this because this is a simple theory, meaning your emotions should be fired up, but controlled, like a sniper rifle. Here's how. 4-second inhale through nose, hold 6-second exhale, then whisper your power face. I control chaos. Repeat it. Now, your limbic system, your emotional brain, gets a signal. It's not panic time, it's performance time. This is induced and it works. When you're playing football, you're playing chess at a very high speed. So you have to be careful of the nanoseconds and the milliseconds you got. Use it to enter the flow state and reaching their maximum potential or their peak state. Step 4. Execution without thought. The prefrontal cortex, the thinking part of your brain. Don't confuse, it's very simple. Under stress. So what pro do? They shut it down? Literally. In peak state, blood flow shifts from logic to instinct. You stop thinking and start reacting from trained patterns. So, train your muscles, train your fascia to do the things you do regularly in football. In simple words, your instincts will flow if you practice anything more and more. You stop thinking and start reacting. That is why in tight spaces, one touch, football and roundos, the elite look like time has slowed down. It has for them because they've shut off delay. The best players, they play from instincts and you sit only on benches. Step 5. Recovery from error. What separates legend from matures isn't perfection, it's recovery speed. Messi loses the ball, he doesn't sulk, he reneges with 0.3 seconds. That's trained. It's called emotional latency control. But you and me, when ball get detached, we start to think many of the thoughts like what will others say. But the Messi, he doesn't think anything. And you can develop it. But if you only stop identifying with your mistakes. If you think I messed up, you collapse. If you think that was a data, you adapt. That's what killers do. Now the manipulation. You have never entered peak state before. You've got only glimpsed in it. Those rare moments when everything clicked. But what if I told you, you could feel that in every game? What if I told you that you can do so precisely that peak state become your default mode? Would you step on the pitch half distracted? No, because now you know peak state isn't luck. It is a system. It is a scientific process and you can make it. But now the question flips. You have seen the formula, you have heard the science, you know the cheat code now. Now, are you going to make it to pro?